पाकिस्तान ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर पे हमारे क्या नज़रिया है, और ये हमारे अंदरूनी मामलों में दखलंदाजी है और हम बिल्कुल इसको नहीं मानते हैं कि पर इसमें एक डेवलपमेंट या किसी स्पेसिफिक डेवलपमेंट में मैं कमेंट नहीं करना चाहूँगा, सिर्फ कि हमारा पोजीशन इस पर क्लियर है और कंसिस्टेंट रहा है. Anyone else? Oh, good. Okay, so, oh, sorry. I was going to have a quick close.
So I've got two questions actually.
Okay, since
one is on Russia. The S-400 is of course expected to be very keenly watched, and now that we are, the parts have started arriving also. So are we now any sort of contact with the Americans on what, because since they have already imposed, it may be difficult for them to leave, to give a complete waiver to India. So are we in sort of touch? How are we intending to balance the impact of this S-400, vis-a-vis the Americans? And on the Omicron, you mentioned the 2 cases in Karnataka. So what are the implications of this? What are you expecting that, will it affect flights now going out from India? Will other countries impose curbs on us? What are you expecting on this front? Thank you.
Yeah, I saw one more hand. Yeah, please.
We have empathized with countries in Africa about the new variant.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
We have empathized with countries in Africa about the new variant, and any plans of exporting the vaccines there.
Okay. Any last questions? Okay. हमारे लैंग्वेज में होता है लोडेड क्वेश्चन कहते हैं. पहले आपने S-400 का ऐसा पेचीदा क्वेश्चन पूछा है, आपने उसमें बहुत सारे स्टेटमेंट्स दिए हैं. लेट मी जस्ट क्लैरिफाई, आई एम नॉट सपोर्टिंग एनी ऑफ दोस थिंग्स. यू हैव मेड लॉट्स ऑफ कमेंट्स. I feel like I'm in court saying I deny everything that I do not formally accept. Let me just reiterate, I think, where we stand on this issue, the delivery of parts, etc. I'm not aware of any of this. I'm not commenting on any of them. Let me just reiterate what I said, I think, last week or before. Defense procurement is a matter for Ministry of Defense. I would please request you to contact them. On the CATSA you referred, as we have said, India and US have a special global strategic partnership. And we also have a very special and privileged strategic partnership with Russia. And as we are all aware, we pursue an independent foreign policy. This applies to our defense acquisitions and supplies, which are and will continue to be guided by our national security interest. I said this earlier, and let me just repeat that on that. On Omicron, look, I don't think the presence of 2 cases who are already being quarantined and who are being, specially monitored, indicates that Omicron is present in India in a large way. So I don't think any impression that Omicron is present in India is, I think, perhaps a wrong thing. 2 cases among the people who just arrived have been tested. They've been isolated. Their contacts are being...
Let me just summarize for our viewers what Arindam Bagchi, spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs, just said. He says Omicron is a very evolving situation. We just saw Health Ministry briefing talking about 2 cases in India. Now, he says that we do not have travel curbs as such. We have intensified surveillance mechanism. He says some countries have stopped flights. We haven't done that. We are doing surveillance through RT-PCR on arrival. So that is the crux of what was just said. In fact, on the Omicron variant, the spokesperson of MEA also says that it's not a matter of alarm at the moment. 2 cases detected are isolated. And therefore, at the moment, it cannot be said that there are many cases in India.